Recently, we've seen a lot of new technologies coming up, and for sure, also benchmarking is in this environment with a lot of changes. How do you think technology will in the future influence benchmarking?
Well, there are several considerations. Number one is that we see the process pretty much remaining the same. The key steps are what to benchmark, whom to benchmark, and then going and accessing all the information sources in order to make sure that you had canvassed all the relevant databases. The process is going to remain the same, but the technology that supports that process are the things that are really going to make a difference in the future. It's the search for exemplary work process methods. That's what best practice benchmarking is all about. And all the electronics that we have, just like this distance learning video conferencing that we're using right now, is a key contributor to making benchmarking more efficient and in many instances possibly effective. And as well as then search engines to find where, in fact, we will either A, find companies that have best practices and we should research further, or B, understand actually what those best practices are in some depth. Those are things like diagramming software and other software to put together the baseline of yourself, which you in turn can then take to the best practice partner and then have that motivate them to want to participate because they will see they will also more than likely learn. So those are key technologies, but there's one more thing, and that is in the early days of benchmarking, studies were done, projects were done, but they were not cataloged. But today, there are available prepackaged benchmarking case studies. And these are another thing to go searching for. They typically reside in databases of professional associations and other similar kinds of organizations that have interest in their members knowing how to go out and improve. Excuse me. Yes.